hustle the Redskins.
2nd and 10, and Rypien gets hit as he throws. As Leon Lett, who didn't figure to play that much tonight, but is getting an opportunity because of the injuries to the defensive line, the absence of Casillas and Maryland, and very much making his presence felt all night long. Out of Emporia State.
Big. 6'6", 287 pounds. And he has been going sideline to sideline tonight.
3rd and 10. Cowboy offense exhorting the defense. Monken Mosby. Here comes Haley with a spin move. Rypien throws, gets it away. Catch is made by Minor, knocked down by Gant. Short of the first down.
Oh, this is a critical deal now for the Redskins. They almost have to go for it.
Oh, yes.
I mean, there's no hesitation. A low Miller field. Sonny Warren coming right into the lineup. With 2 touchdowns giving you the win, a field goal is really not of any importance. You would still need 2 more scores after a field goal, so the Redskins have to get a first down.
4th and 3 at the 35-yard line. Rypien looking over the Cowboy defensive alignment. And after the short count, looking to the right, lofting it for Monk, who turns around, can't make the catch, but draws the flag. Isaac Holt holding him.